Hi guys, I'm Juan here at Up to the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. Today I'm so excited because there was a sale, I believe, a couple of weeks ago at Hot Topic, and they were having a 30% off, and this is a continuation, if you saw the title, of, yes, Tokidoki. I'm so excited. Specifically, the Sanrio, Hello Kitty, and Friends collaboration with Tokidoki. Now, I will link up above my first video that I did unboxing of these, and these are just so stinking cute. These are the options that you can get. I have 4 so far, unique ones. So I'm really hoping that I get the Chase here, the Choco as that cow. So this is the bag. This is 1 of 5. I got 5 because that's the max you can order at one time, which is a crime. I should say order as many as you want, okay, people? Come on, you're giving your money. Do it to it. So fix that quick, Hot Topic. But number 1, so let's see what we have. We have... Yes! It's not the Chase, but it's Pom Pom Pure, and he is so adorable. He's like this donut floaty wearing donut ears. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, his ears is dipped in chocolate with sprinkles. Great, this is a great start. Not me jinxing myself. Bag number 2. Still small. Here it is. Ouch, ouch, ouch. This is the third Kuropi now that I have. What did I say? I was gonna jinx myself. Ugh. Okay, bag number 3. Not looking, not looking, not looking. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What are the chances for another Pom Pom Pure? Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. He's adorable, so I need this not to be a double. Y'all. No. No! Y'all, this is the last box. I am so glad that I did not purchase these at full price. The sting of it all. So the last bag. Is it different? Sorry, it's Hello Kitty! Oh my god. Yes. This is Hello Kitty in a rainbow onesie, and look at that unicorn in her head, by the way. What? Oh my gosh. Gorge. Absolute gorge. Yes, I'm living. This is adorable. I am so happy to have her because she just is iconic as is. And oh my gosh, look at the zipper. Like, I'm down the front of the onesie. So stinking cute. I love the heart in her head, the bow. It's just so kawaii and just so stinking cute. Yes, oh my god. Okay. If I wasn't gonna get at least one more different one, this was gonna be all over bad. So out of 5, I got 2 unique ones. 2 out of 5, not the best, but again, I can't complain. These were at a much more discounted rate than they originally sold for, and they're adorable, and they're gonna look great with my others that I've collected so far. Comment down below which one of these were your favorite. Thank you so much for joining me. That was just a quick little fun unboxing that I did. I love Tokidoki. Do you collect Tokidoki? Let me know down below. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I am still doing the giveaway, so please go ahead and go back to that video. I will link it down below. So the original video, all the rules and details are there, so you can go ahead and get your entry in for that $50 Loungefly gift card. Be safe. Tell somebody that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.